In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fry the best Ghana style fried chicken that you can use for your jollof rice, stew, or just on its own. Very easy, and I know for sure you're going to love it. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Hello and welcome back. So for this recipe, I'm using chicken thighs, but you can use any part of the chicken, okay? We'll start off by washing it thoroughly with water, vinegar, lemon, and some salt, okay? So guys, whilst that is going on, if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to join this amazing family. And trust me, you're going to love it here. And also, we'll take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your support. God richly bless you, and I really appreciate you all. Okay, once I'm done washing the chicken, these are the ingredients I'll be using to season the chicken. I have some garlic, dry rosemary, some white pepper, cumin, 1 habanaro pepper, medium-sized onion, and ginger. We'll go ahead to chop my onions and transfer everything into my blender. Add a little water, then cover and blend it until it is nicely smooth. Now I'm going to pour it on the chicken, and also we'll add in 2 tablespoons of Adobe season, tablespoon of Sazon Goya, and a teaspoon each Italian and parsley leaves. Okay, we'll then go ahead to add in some salt to taste, then mix everything together, making sure every part of the chicken is well seasoned. Next, we'll cover it and let it sit for 30 to an hour. So guys, you can go ahead right away to cook it, okay? You don't have to marinate it. After 2 hours of marinating the chicken, look at how it's looking. I'm just going to transfer it into my saucepan, then rinse the bowl with some water and pour it back into the chicken. To a medium-low heat, I'm going to steam the chicken for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So 20 minutes later, our chicken is beautifully cooked. So we'll take it off the stove, then drain the stock from it. Heat up some oil, and then we start to fry our chicken. So to a heated pan, we'll add in my oil. Then goes in some onion. This will give us additional flavor into it, okay? Once our oil is added, we'll add in our chicken and allow it to fry until it is nice and golden brown, okay? Then we will take it out of the oil. After 3 minutes of frying, we'll turn over the other side so that it can also fry until it is nice and golden brown. So at this point, if you like your chicken to be a little bit soft, this is the perfect time to take it out, okay? But I like mine to be a little bit brown, okay? Hello, me no care. Yes, so this is how I like my chicken, okay? I'm just going to remove everything out of the oil and transfer it into a paper lined tray to absorb any excess oil. Then that's about it, guys. Our fried chicken is ready. very easy, and tastes absolutely delicious. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. And until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.